Whoa! WordPress, Rank Math SEO. Let's chat today about SEO and a new plugin called Rank Math. So what is Rank Math? Have you heard of Yoast? Well, it's like a buddy partner of Yoast, and it does virtually the same. So question is it worth it? Is Rank Math better than Yoast? And why would you use Rank Math? Okay, let's start off. What does Rank Math do? Well, basically Rank Math looks after all your on-site SEO within your WordPress site. Your on-site, for example, your page titles, your meta descriptions, your structured data, all those nitty-gritties that help you rank to the top. So is Rank Math better than Yoast? Well, Yoast has been around for 7+ years. It's the market leader, it's the number one. And basically Rank Math does a lot of identical stuff to that. The core difference between Rank Math and Yoast is that Rank Math on its free version gives you a lot more free functionality than what Yoast does. They both have premium versions, so you can sign up and register for both, but Rank Math tends to give you more for free. Let's have a look at some of the ratings. Let's have a look at Yoast first of all. Let's click on more details and have a look at the number of people using it. 5+ million, a lot of people. Notice on version 16.8 right now, and they've updated one day ago. So they're red hot, they're a good team, then they're number one for a good reason. Do notice down here that you can actually run it on 5.6, PHP 5.6, which is a bit different to Rank Math, which needs basically 7 point something. Scroll down here, 27,000 ratings, of which, if we scroll down, we've got over 25,000 5-star ratings. That's a lot. Let's have a look at Rank Math, version 1.0.68.1. It's young. Okay, last updated 6 days ago, so it's still hot. This team is a good team that created this. These are no newbies that have created this plugin. It's a red hot plugin created by a red hot team. And if you scroll down here, you'll see that there's 900,000 active installations. For the period of time that this plugin has been out there, that's amazing. That's incredible. Scrolling down, we've got 3,000 ratings, of which we've got 3,189 5-star ratings. Again, that's good. You don't get these ratings unless you're good in WordPress. People don't give these ratings easily. So is Rank Math better than Yoast? Well, it's up to you. I tend to use Yoast on my current sites because I'm familiar with it. I know what it does and I know it's great. It's a great plugin. Rank Math, I would though put it on new client sites because for clients it's a bit simpler, especially for the installation. Yoast is a little bit complicated on the initial setup, but once you know where to go and what to do, it's a really good plugin. So Rank Math is slightly better on the initial installation for me, so I would use it on client sites. So let's have a look at 5 tips. Quick tips to show you what Rank Math can do. For an affiliate marketer, these are great tips. Yoo-hoo! Let's do it! Whoa! Okay, tip number 1. Let's do it. Alt tags. Let's go down here, here, images, settings. Come up to the top, switch on the alt tag. Yay! That's one way of doing it. Another way, from the dashboard, general settings. Come on down, you'll see the tab here, images on the left. Switch it on. Yoo-hoo! So what the heck is alt text? Basically with an image, it can have an alt text, which is an HTML tag. And what that does is identify the image. Now, they're needed by Google for 2 reasons. One, it gives Google a bit more information about a specific image to allow it to actually search it, rank it, and so on, to understand what the image is about. The second thing is for visually impaired people when they're browsing a web page. If you don't have alt tags on your images, then basically they don't know what's actually going on with the actual page. So switching them on, Yahoo, is very good. Okay, tip number 2. We're zooming along here now. Import and export. Very good as an affiliate marketer to know how to import and export settings from a plugin so that you can move it across to another site and copy it and clone it very easily. Come into the dashboard, come across here to the import and export tab, and voila, there you go. Notice the export tab over here, and you can choose your different settings appropriate to what you actually need. Tip number 3, importing from Yoast. You scroll down here on the import and export settings page, click on the imports tab and scroll down. You'll see that you can actually import from other plugins, Yoast being one of them here. So you can choose also what you want to import. You don't have to import the whole caboose of everything that's been exported from Yoast. You can choose what you want and bring in just that piece. Yoo-hoo! Tip number 4, we're rolling on here really fast. On the same page here, scrolling down, notice that you can actually back up your settings. This is really cool. And you can actually create a backup. Okay, tip number 5, the last tip. So from the dashboard, click into the modules tab and then scroll down and you'll see the SEO analysis down here. Click that on, click on the settings, and now what we can do is link our account with Rank Math. Click on the Connect Now button. Now, of course, you need to have a Rank Math account at this point. So what's the benefit of doing this? Well, I thought the same thing. So I went into Google and I plugged it in and see what I got. And lo and behold, on the very first link, there is a really good article, very specific article. Now, the fact that that came up and it was specific to what we wanted and what I wanted tells me a lot. And there's a great little video in here so you can play that. I'll let you watch that in your own time. And there's some benefits. But basically down here, number 1, keyword suggestions. Number 2, in-depth analysis. Number 3, analytics codes. So there's basically some good reasons. Let's have a peek about what it's actually created for us in terms of the analysis. Come back into the dashboard, scroll down under the modules, back to where we were, and click on the settings button. And there it is. Wow, pretty cool. A whole set of analytics, analysis, and all sorts of information. Mobile snapshot. Wow, a lot of great stuff in here. So there's a great little report. Security, amazing, really amazing. Now, how do we get into that without going through that long way? Well, you'll notice down here on the main menu, there's a SEO analysis button. Yay, that'll take you straight in there. So that's it. Whoa! 5 tips, quick video. Hopefully you enjoyed that. So now you probably realize Rank Math is not a yap, yet another plugin. It's actually a really good plugin. It's not been around for a long time, but it's red hot. Now, of course, Yoast is the leader, it's the market leader. It's been around for 7 years plus, I think. And have a check about this video now. This is about Yoast settings. It's 5 tips about Yoast, and it's really worthwhile watching. So I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Yoo-hoo!